Good morning from the Erie Canal. Yeah, man. We're heading to go get a bicycle tire this morning. Good to go look for one anyway. Before we split out of town, have some coffee, and get down this road, man. This is awesome. New York rocks. Just take a look at that Erie Canal. It's pretty cool, man. I was camped out right at a lock watching these big 60, 50-foot boats coming through. It was pretty neat. This area is just amazing. And look at this bridge. I love bridges, and this is a good one. Yeah, man. The Erie Canal goes down that way. Yeah, man. This is sweet. So let's go find a bike shop, eh? All right, we're rolling. Oh, yeah, man.